In this video, I'll show you how to redeem an Apple gift card. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on my iPhone and let's get right into this guide. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up the App Store just like so. And then once you're in the App Store, you can be on any page. That could be today, games, apps, arcade, search. They're all going to be fine. And then what you need to do is go and tap on the profile picture in the top right. It's going to be a silhouette of a single person, just like so. And this is going to go and open up the account page. And from the account page, once it loads, you can then go and tap on redeem gift card or code, just like so. And then we're going to have a few different options of how you can go and redeem codes. So you can either go and use your camera and go and scan the code, or you can go and enter the code manually. So if you wanted to use the camera, you would tap use camera, and then you can go and scan the code. Or alternatively, I'll press cancel. You can go and tap enter code manually, and then you can go just enter in the code, and then you can go and tap on redeem, and the credit will then be added to your Apple account, and you can go and spend it on anything you would like. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.